So guys, welcome back to the channel. Touching down from a busy highway early morning in Chiang Mai city, northern Thailand. In fact, let's walk back away from it a bit because it is rush hour. And today we are down in the Hang Dong district and we're going to look at a house. And probably a bit too big for me, this house, but I've got the opportunity to go and have a look. And I've said, why the hell not? Because I might like it. I might end up loving it. And if not, it's good content. And we all like engaging on the properties, right? The rentals. So it's a 3-bedroom house. And it's one of them places where I can let myself in again. So I love like that. There's going to be no one there. I can let myself in the back door and we can have a good look around ourselves. So what is it now? It's about 8:45 in the morning. And yeah, I've got about 5 minutes down to the house. I think it's an area where we've looked at a house before. Let's stop waffling. Let's get down to look at a 3-bedroom house. Right dudes, we have arrived. And it is a place we've been here before. Again. Oh, I remember coming down here. It looks like it might be the same house as well. But I'm not sure many of you will remember, but it's on my channel where we came down here and met the 2 people and we couldn't go in, if anybody remembers. So we didn't go in the gate last time. We was only allowed to look outside. So yeah, we've done a vlog down here before. So now we can go in, I think. Now we can go in. It's one of these. I think it's this one here. Oh, we got some dogs, man. Not a good sign, eh? I remember they couldn't sell them after COVID. Out next door looking a bit rough, innit? So I think it is this one, guys. I'm taking it it's this one. The gate's open. So yeah, here we go. This would be your gafflet. You got your driveway here. Nice big driveway, fit your car, fit a couple of motorbikes. There you are. Yeah, it looks like it's been left for a while, right? It's all overgrown, so nobody's been here. I'm hoping I'm in the right one. I'm guessing so because it's empty, right? The lady said I can go around the back and the back door will be open. It's a big house, look, 3 bedrooms. Yeah, nobody been here. Left, look, left. This is your back garden. Not the biggest in the world, is it? Not the biggest. It's all looking a little bit rough. I suppose they built it. Yeah, they couldn't sell them, I remember last time. But it's a nice quiet area. What are we? 30 minutes. Hang Dong. We're down near the Grand Canyon water park. So it's a really nice area, guys. And this is your gaff. Are we at the right one? Is it open? Yes, this is the one. Oh, I thought I could hear somebody then. Here we go then. Take the old shoes off. Yeah, big house, man, innit? Looks quite a big house. Get rid of the old shoes there. So you walk straight in the back to the kitchen, look. Got your kitchen area. Don't suppose there's any lights working. It's quite a small kitchen actually, but I suppose when it's got 3 bedrooms, it's plenty big enough though, right? For anything you would need to do. I think you're gonna have, this is like an empty shell, guys. You're gonna have to, well, I think so. I'm not sure if they will add an oven and stuff like that. I've not really asked. Electric work? No electric. So you come into your hallway, look. This is your 1st bedroom right next to the kitchen. So already it looks like, you know, I'm not going to say super cheap build, but it's that basic layout, right? But yeah, got your Wi-Fi there, it looks like, or TV. Yeah, Wi-Fi, that's Wi-Fi, that is. So Wi-Fi's already rigged up, guys. And then you've got your bathroom here, there's no lights. So yeah, all the wiring's bare, look, so they would have to finish all this. And she said she would actually. She said if anybody wants it, they will do all the little bits here that need doing. Just a little place where you can put, I don't know, your bog roll or the paper when you're taking a dump. Little place to put something above the bog. Nice sink area there. So this is the next bedroom. It's a bit of a strange layout. This is like your kid's room, really small. So this might be an office or something, right? If you didn't want a third bedroom or a closet, this would be great for that, I think. Ah, it smells new though. Even though nobody's been in here, we'll look at the living space after. What's that? Kitchen, bedroom 1, toilet, bedroom 2, bedroom 3. So all the bedrooms are down the kitchen end, the back end, which is good, I think. So this is your master bedroom. Master bedroom, look. Not the biggest in the world, but it's more like your budget 3-bedroom house, isn't it? And yeah, the price is, you know, I could take this house. It's not a bad price. It's more than what we've looked at before, some of the rooms. And this is your ensuite. Nothing, no. So they've still got to finish some wiring there. Look, they've got no shower unit in yet. So that's how new it is. I don't think anybody's been in here. This is your living space down here, look. I quite like it actually. It's all the rooms are small. It's like a compact 3-bedroom house, right? Yeah, I quite like it. And that's when you go out to your driveway, look. And you got the nice sort of window decoration on the front. Lets in enough light, but it doesn't. It blocks the sun quite a bit because the sun is right on the house now. Morning sun, so I don't know what the afternoon would be like around the back, but this would be your living quarters, look. Aircon. So this house, guys, is 8,000 baht a month on a 1-year contract. Yeah, so that's not too bad, is it, for a 3-bedroom house? I don't think you could grumble too much about that. £8,200 or something. 1-year contract. Hangdong, 10 minutes to the Hangdong market. 2 months insurance, so you need to pay, what's that, 16,000. So a total of 24,000 baht to move in. Hey, so worth a little look, eh? 8,000 baht a month. Put it up on the screen. 2 bathrooms, 3 bedrooms. Yeah, too big for me. Even though it's not a big house, is it? You would go stir crazy in here on your own, man. You would use this. I would have my office in there. I'd have my editing desk. That's where I'd be most of the time. And I'd probably have the room down the back here. You'd think squatter would be in there, right? Homeless guy or something, but I think they come to check every day. The lady will come and just make sure it's all alright. So what we're going to do here a minute is just have a look around the neighbourhood as well. 200 odd nicker. This could be your 3-bedroom house. It's not a hell of a lot, is it? You got your electricity outside as well, look. You would clean that up, right? It wouldn't take much cleaning up. I quite like the front, don't you? What do you reckon? I quite like the style of the house, you know. Have to sort all that out, wouldn't they? Load of crap down the drain cover. There's Lucille. Look at her, Bobby does that, ain't she? So you are living in Legoland. They're all the same. But it's not like there's hundreds of them. What have we got here, 10? Yeah, it's a nice enough area. You got the main road right there. You can hear it a little bit. I had a building down here. Hey, got more going up, son. All the same again, right? Yeah. So, got the guys here working. So here's me saying they can't sell them. They must be able to. See, during COVID, it all got halted everywhere. And now, around me as well, got angle grinder, you know it. Ah. I bet matey down here's peed right off, innit? These they must be gutted, right? Just think, living there for the last 30 odd years, you've had the whole area quiet, and then all this lot descends on you. Man, just think what they must think when they've got that right next door now. I would say there was nothing here before, like it was just fields. I actually think I prefer the one where we went into though. See, there's the main road right at the end of this little driveway. We'll do it in real time when we come in. We've done it on the way in, but we'll do it on the way out as well. What do you reckon? Anybody's interested? I will leave the location down below. I'm not sure if I will contact the lady again, but you can come here and yeah, go in the back door. I would let her know first, so if you are interested, let me know first, then I'll put you in contact with her or something. 8,000 baht a month, 2 months deposit, happy days, 1 year contract. There you go. Right then, I'll show you in real time. Let's put the old band on the phone holder a minute. How far it is up to the road. Look, you come up this small little dirt track. I'm sure they will fix this in the future, I don't know. Just 1 minute and you're up on the main road. And it will take you all the way back into the city. Have you got a restaurant here? No. So you'd have to find a market close by or a 7-Eleven up here on the side of the road. So yeah, this is the main road, the main big road that goes around Chiang Mai, and it'll take you to Sampatong and Chom Tong. So that's how far it is up to the road. I think I ended the vlog here last time as well, but yeah, it's noisy. That's the house. I will leave the location. You know the drill. I'm getting back for a green tea and chill out for the morning. Hope you're all safe and sound as always, guys, and I will see you in the next one. So take it easy, man. Take it easy.